Hi friends, welcome to LaxmiYoutube channel. Today I am sharing how to make Gongura Pulihora. If you are watching my channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon to get more updates. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a tablespoon of urad dal or black gram lentils, a tablespoon of chana dal or split yellow beans, 2 red chilies, 10 methi seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 10 peppercorns. Now fry them on low flame till they changes into light brown color. Now you can see all the ingredients are fried. Now take them onto a plate and let them cool down completely. Take all the ingredients in a mixie jar and grind them into fine powder. The Pulihora masala powder is ready. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil. Add washed sorrel leaves and mix once and close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes so that the sorrel leaves become soft. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. In a mixie jar, add Gongura paste and add little water and grind it into fine paste. Now the Gongura paste is ready. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil and let it get hot. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Cumin seeds. Now add peanuts and let them fry for 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Add cashew nuts and fry them on low flame till they changes into golden brown color. Now add curry leaves, split green chilies, add a pinch of hing, add Gongura paste and some water and mix well all the ingredients. In this add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and also Pulihora masala powder and mix well. Finally add salt as per taste and mix once. Now add half cup of water and mix well all the ingredients. Now close the lid and cook on low flame for 5 minutes till the oil oozes out. Now you can see after 5 minutes of slow cooking, the oil is oozing, means the Gongura masala paste is ready. Switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. You can see here the cooked rice is ready. Add the Gongura masala paste into the rice and mix well and adjust the salt. Now finally add coriander leaves. That's it. The Gongura Pulihora is ready. This is very simple and tasty recipe. If you like this recipe, do try it and let me know your comments. For more videos, do subscribe LaxmiYoutube channel. I have Facebook page, link given in the description box. Do like my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Bye.